Sending love and light to all beings. How are y'all doing? All eye and eyes. Our craft for today, we're making a bird feeder. This is like from a leg on a broken bench. And so I'm going to put like, right now I have mixed like the popcorn. This is some sunflower seeds, Ethiopian sunflower seeds. And here, you want to open that, Egypt? Alright, and this was mixed with black sesame seed and the white sesame seed. So we're going to put just a little bit in there. Right?
Black seeds?
And this is some type of grain. Some type of grain. That's it. Okay. And this setup, we're also going to tie some copper around it. So my idea is we're going to get some copper, tie around this. And there's the rope right there. So I'm just going to put the copper down, hang it right here, and we're going to see if the birds come get it. All right, see how I put the copper right there? This is a little cook. So we're going to put the seeds like right there, the seeds right there. Even they can come land on it like at the top. I love it. Now let's try it. Let's put it like right there. I'm gonna put it like right there, and yeah. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Like if I move it any other place, I could just probably just slide it on a branch, or so that's like why that's right there. And now it's time to put the food in there. The seeds. Look at that. So some fail, but yeah. Turns out that this hole is not really a hole. It goes straight into there. So yeah. Let's see. Let's see what they do. I think this is so beautiful. I love it.
I'll restore the Garden of Eden in our own yards to sustain, nourish, and provide for our communities to have a bountiful harvest for all. Here are some examples of how we can play our part in the restoration of the garden. By simply saving seeds, roots, and bringing back the bartering system, we'll restore and recreate a bountiful harvest for all. There are so many ways to get involved in our community. However, most of these sustainability projects need further funding and or donations to be successful. Your generous donation will help us create a lush, self-sustaining food forest that not only nourishes our body, but also nourishes our spirits. By supporting this project, you are investing in a healthier, greener future for everyone. Together, we can cultivate a space that brings people together, teaches valuable skills, and sustain our community for years to come. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey.